This is part 2 of the lesson 5 video notes. Let's go back to the notes. Example 2. This is, again, as a reminder, this is from lesson 5, events and Venn diagrams. And this is lesson 5. So we are going to think about the school in example 1, our last video. Suppose that 230 of those students play soccer, 190 play basketball. Let me do some highlighting. Let's do pink. 230 play soccer. 230 play soccer. And then, let's do this green. 190 play basketball. And then 60 are in both. Both. What does that mean? So 230, so draw this Venn diagram, these circles in your notes. 230 are going to be in this circle. 190 have to be in this circle. What we know for certain is that there are 60 that are in both. So 60 students, it's not my pen. 60 students are in both. So 230 minus 60, we're going to have left is 170 students left that only play soccer. So 170. And then over here, you have a total of 190 students. And then you subtract away the 60 students that do both, and you're left with 130. So 130 students play basketball. So the second question is, how many students play basketball but not soccer? And that's going to be what we wrote up here, which is 190 minus 60. So 130 play basketball, but not soccer. Part C. Suppose that a student will be selected at random to play from the school. So now we're introducing probability in this because that's what our whole unit is about, is probability. What is the probability that the selected student plays both sports? So the other number that we're missing down here is the total. So we need to find does it tell us the total? Yes, 500 students. We didn't fill that out. So 500 students is in total. Oh, sorry, that's not 500. We have 500 students. To find out this area, we have 500 students. But then we have to subtract the 170. We have to subtract the 60. We have to subtract the 130. Let's see if I can write that better. 150, or 500, minus 170 plus 60 plus 130. So altogether, this is going to be 192, 360. So this together is going to be 360. So 500 minus 360 is equal to 140 that are neither. Okay. So there's 140 students that don't play basketball or soccer out of the 500 total. So all the numbers in there should add up to 500. So the probability should be the number desired, that's not hashtag, desired over the number total. So we want to know what is the probability that they play both sports. So we look on our Venn diagram. Both is the and, which is the middle, which is 60 over, and then total number of students is going to be 500. That means 60 over 500 if you plug it into your calculator. Plug it into your calculator, that's 60. Oops, clear. All clear. 60 divided by 500, which is 12 hundredths, or 12%. All right. Complete the Venn diagram below, writing the probabilities associated with each region. We found out the first one. The first one is 12%, or it's 0.12. So now for B, let's put in the value. So it's going to be 130 divided by 500, which is going to equal to 0.26 or 26%. I'll do it in this color here. This playing soccer is 170 students over 500, and that's equal to 34%. And then what we have left over is 140 divided by 500. That's the students that don't play basketball or soccer, and that's going to be 28%. All right. You can check your work on your calculator, and especially if you can't read this, then definitely double check your work. And then we have one more video.